so nice to have you here again. Once again, this is Gracie's Word. Welcome to my word. Welcome to my sphere. Okay, if you're new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button right there, right now, and turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I release a new video. Now, before I'm gonna talk about the topic of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and blush in advance. Oh my god. Okay. All right. 2 seconds. Okay. That's okay. I never thought I would be able to talk about this in public. Like, I'm still. Anyways, I'm talking about breast milk today. The wonders of being a mom, right? Like, that I would be talking about that. I really didn't pay much attention to it earlier on, but now that I had to, I gave it so much time. And let me tell you a secret. Are you listening? Breast milk is liquid gold. You didn't hear it from me. Of course you did. Breast milk is liquid gold. I'm gonna tell you all about, I'm gonna tell you why I said that. Don't be in a rush. Just sit back, hang tight, and let's get going. First off, what is breast milk made of? Breast milk is made up of 90% water. Now, this data is not off because I'm not a scientist. It was data lifted off from a pediatrician's website. And it says breast milk is made up of 90% of water. So now this is for my moms that want to do exclusive or feel that baby needs water and adds water to it. This is why you hear them say, you hear pediatricians or some other moms tell you that it is not necessary to give water with breast milk, because breast milk is made up majorly of water. Okay, what are the other contents of breast milk? Breast milk contains carbohydrates. It contains carbohydrates. The major one is called milk sugar, also known as lactose. Now, I'm sure you might have had lactose. Yes, a baby's lactose intolerance and all of that. Yeah, so that's one of the major carbohydrates in breast milk. And the one in the breast milk we're talking about is more than the ones found in those of animals. Now, let me point out something in case, just so there's no confusion, for the sake of clarity and all things being upfront and open and transparent. When I am talking about breast milk on my channel, I am referring to the one produced by we humans, okay? Not the ones produced by goats or cows. Yeah, I'm referring to the ones produced by humans. Now, so as I was saying, it contains milk sugar. It also contains protein. Okay, it contains fats. Something. It also contains vitamins. It contains minerals too. So, if we put all of this together, we'll see that breast milk is a well-balanced diet. From the 6 classes of food we were taught in school, it's got water in a large amount. It's got water. It's got fats, which is fat and oil. It's got minerals. It's got vitamins, as you pronounce it. It's got proteins. It's got carbohydrates. Okay, now do you see why it is damn important? Do you get it now? Just kidding. Don't mind me. I'm not that violent, okay? Then aside from this food factors that it contains, let me put it that way. Breast milk also contains hormones. Some hormones can be transferred through the mom, can be transferred from the mom through breast milk to the baby. Now, I remember there was a time while I was breastfeeding. There was a time I was having so many issues, and I was being really sad. And my mom-in-law would tell me, "Don't give baby sad milk." I really didn't get it then, but you might have had that from someone old. You might have had that from women of the old that are wise, from our wise women. This is the science. supporting that. Okay. Your emotions, hormones are what control emotions. There's a way you could be so emotional that it could be passed on from you to the child through the breast milk, through hormones in the breast milk. Okay, so that's one other thing. Now that's both good and bad, but we're not getting into all of that right now. Also, it contains immunoglobulins. Big word. Big word for big people. But then basically what immunoglobulins are antibodies. Okay, and what we know about antibodies are the fighting, they're like the warriors of the body. Okay, so this is why you also hear them say that breast milk is the first immunization given to a baby. All right, so for you mamas and mamas to be that are contemplating, okay, these are just me throwing out some facts out there that would make you realize why it is of the most importance that you breastfeed your baby. Okay, so whenever a new video is released, until then, take